Mike, thanks so much for making the time to chat with me today. As we get started, can you tell us a little bit about the firm, as in where you're located and what area of law you practice?
Sure. My firm is called Matador, LLP. We're located in Fairfax, Virginia, and we are a litigation firm primarily focused on family law cases, criminal defense, and employment law matters.
Before you came into the co-op, what did your marketing look like and what strategies were you using and were they effective for you?
We did a lot of different things. We certainly always relied on having a good reputation and word of mouth. We did a lot of marketing through direct mail, looking at what cases might have been filed and trying to give people an indication of who they were, or who we were, I should say. We had a website that kind of gave people an indication of who we were, so if they knew where to look for us. But I think we probably weren't as good about aggressively marketing that website through the internet and making sure that people could find us when they were looking for us.
And since coming into the group, can you chat a little bit about the results that you've seen from working with the co-op?
Oh, absolutely. We've seen the number of visits to the site increase exponentially, and then that, of course, results in a lot more people taking the time to contact us. And the funny thing is, I am not the most technologically inclined person, but that's why it's been so great to work with Matador, because they know the secret sauce, they know what to do, they know how to emphasize certain points to make sure that our message gets out and to make sure that the clients that are looking for our type of services are able to find us and get in touch with us. And that's absolutely led to a great increase in the business that we have.
And the monthly calls, what's your take on that experience?
The monthly calls are really helpful because they let me, again, as a sort of non-technical person, see in real time in sort of a very user-friendly format the metrics. I can see what efforts Matador's been putting into growing the strength of the site and making sure that our name is getting out there to the community. And then I can actually see the increases. I can see where we were year over year. I can see that what Matador is doing is actually working. So it's very beneficial to me to kind of understand exactly what's going on.
And my last question for you, Mike, from the time you started till the time, how long did it take from the time you started until you started getting results, meaning new cases?
I would say it was a matter of a few months. You definitely could see a difference. We could see a difference pretty quickly in terms of calls coming in and people contacting us through our website, through our contact forms. I would say certainly it was within a matter of a few months.